And so we are live for live stream 301. We've just had the PMI news come out. We've just had the PMI news come out on the markets here. Markets just had that big move down. But I still think the market is poised to head towards the 820s. If we have a look here. Oh, hold on. Oh, I've actually got a long.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I actually got a long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, hold on. What's with my mouse?
Order submitted.
Put a stop order in.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
I was expecting this to go up towards the highs, but no. Up 18. Up 18. So as I was saying, I still think this is going to head up towards the 820 based on
order filled. Order filled.
Based on the. But then again, we just tested that volume there.
Order submitted.
Based on the 5-minute profile. Not the profile. The So if we look at the market overall, I do think that 820 is where the market wants to go. Maybe I should look at what the PMIs did and not have too much of a bias. What is that? 629. That's huge.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Maybe we should look what the. Let's go see. PMIs. 50 previously, 53.7. Let's have a look at the daily chart here. Daily chart, we're back down to about where we opened. At the highs, we're up at 76. I'm long at 24.50. Do think the range was pretty light today. On the range, we are looking at 138 points of range. on NQ today. Over on ES is 24.75, so it's a pretty tight range day. And over on gold, we're looking at 30.2, so doesn't look good. Lower day is at 55. Hold on, am I risking like 100 points there? That's not good, is it? $8.18.25.
Order submitted.
So probably should look at this on the actual chart I've made the trade on, which would be the moving average chart. I guess it's a turnaround day. I guess it's a turnaround day. Broke through the previous low of day there. If by some miracle we get above 41.50, I'm moving the stop to the 05s. Got to make better decisions in terms of this moving average strat, because that's risking far too much. So we get to this level here. I'm moving my stop to this low right there, 05. Problem is we got to get through the VWAP and this moving average right here. I think it might be to get out right now, to be fair. We are above the level. Could trail my stop right here to the 05s. Would have been stopped out. Let's take the 39s. Want to see this clear the 23s. Previous high here is 22.75. See, there's plenty of opportunities to get out at this 05 here. $90 would be 35. I'll tell you what. You go break 90, I'm not interested. Matter of fact. Come on. Come on. Need the long-term bulls here. I need the long-term bulls to step in. You know what? Let's not run from the stop out. Okay, it's just got to that level. Okay. Let's move this stop up to 05, shall we? Where's the low? The low is 0550. 0550. We got the VWAP sitting right there. Let's see if we can take some of it off at that VWAP. Golly. Gonna be stopped out.
Order filled.
So from being
Order
up 18 to being
Order
down,
canceled.
down 20. Okay, so these moving averages have been a bit of a nightmare. Not even sure it should be using moving averages. Did we just take an unnecessary loss? Time will tell. Previous day's high seen at 59. What's that? Xbox. Battery's low.
Order filled.
Stop at the lows. $82.25. $82.25. $17. We'll keep it at $16.75.
Target filled.
What kind of
Target filled.
what? What targets were those? You've got to be f***ing kidding me. What the hell? Oh, goodness me.
Order filled.
Okay, so we've just ran into that VWAP. Okay. the thing about it is, let's think about this. So we could have got back in there. Oh my word. Problem is I'll be buying through VWAP. Do you want to be buying through VWAP? Probably not. Hold on. That isn't VWAP. This is VWAP here. So what is that? Oh, that's the SMA. 125. Oh, we need to change this VWAP then. Let's see. Let's remove that for now. Order flow VWAP. Add. None. Apply. Okay. Let's make this VWAP a bit thicker, shall we? Order flow VWAP. Let's make it a 4. Apply. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to our default strat. Let's go. Okay. This right here is a level right there. Right there. Problem was taking that would have took us through the VWAP. We haven't had a look at the profile today, which is, it's tantamount to neglect. Let's see. Oh, goodness me. So the gap on the profile's up there at 66. Down here at 84. So. And let's see. And let's sync this on all charts, shall we? All charts apply. We're going to go. So we're going to keep that there. Let's get that off. The very next stuff we're looking at is down there at 84. Oh my word. Okay, so at that level there, these levels would have been from yesterday. Oh, hold on. Just got back the other side of that box.
Order
Take that.
filled.
Where did we get in? Got in a little bit high there, even though it's into the VWAP. Let's see.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
79.25.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So we came into this box here. Trying to buy it up towards these recent highs. Hold on. I got 32.75. Possibly. Come on, get me. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, don't tell me this 32.75 is going to be the...
Order
There we go.
filled.
Come on.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Go get it.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order canceled.
Okay. Up 16. Up at 16. Almost back to where we were. I think we're up at 18 at one point. Now you want to go. To be fair, these losses through here, they didn't actually go and hit the actual designated stop. I just decided to get out. So this loss right here, the stop would have been down at 629. Target up at 18.25, but didn't like the price action. And the other one, so I trailed up, was picked out right there, would have been picked out again there. When you have these, the thing is, I just can't get out of the back of my mind the fact that I've still got this terrible risk reward on these trades. So when it comes to the moving average trades, I'm really just being very super cautious with them. So there's that low volume area right there. LVN session profile. So we've got this LVN on the session profile. Right up there. Seeing that breakout through them highs. The very next level we're looking at probably 49.50 or so. Maybe 50. 750. That was an interesting level from yesterday. Market still got a let's see what the range is currently. Current range on NQ 152.25, on ES 24.75. Over on gold still 30.2, so it's still pretty narrow range here. Still a pretty narrow range. Again, we're looking for that move up to the 50s. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Oh, no way. No way. Did you? Oh my gosh, what an amateur. I can't say I'm an amateur, but there was a level right there. Oh my gosh, was that the 63 from yesterday? 65. It was. Should have recognized it. Possibly an area of support. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I'll certainly bear this in mind. Okay, I'll certainly bear that in mind. Okay, I need to make a note. Power hour levels important around new day open. Okay, so the previous day's high is sitting at 59.75. Right there. Previous day's high. Currently battling this point of control. Seem to be holding above it. Poised to head higher here. Up towards, yep, got to that 50s. Did mention the 50s. Previous days, yesterday's high, seen around 59.75. Pulling back here. Certainly tempted to think about taking a long there, but I'm not going to do that. Certainly not. Certainly do feel a bit of FOMO to just take a long here. Probably a stop below this low at 32. Look to see if we can pick up the 59.75 on the test of the previous day's high. It's certainly tempting to think about taking that. But the thing is, around the 56s, we've got these highs over here. We've got the 57.50s. Okay, so we got, let's see. What is that? 37.25. Oh, so that's a point of control. So probably would need to see a pullback and then go for it. See, that's, let's see, 46.75. No, that idea. Good thing I didn't take that. See, this is what I was concerned about, FOMOing in. Run into these highs here. Again, it's not part of the strat. So let's see. Hold on. Oh, I didn't sync. So if we go over to our 5, this needs to be synced on all charts. So that should be showing up now. There it is. I suppose I could copy, Control V, take this down to this level, take this level off from yesterday. This level's from yesterday again. Yesterday. Oh, wow. Here it goes. Interesting. 44.50 down to 41. It's only 3 points of risk. Looking for potentially 10 plus points. Interesting. Very interesting. So let's get one of these arrows on. So this is our Oh, that's incorrect, bud. That is incorrect, buddy. There we are. That's incorrect there, bud. How close we come? Got to 58.50. You know what?
Order filled.
Probably
Order submitted.
wanted to get a better price there.
Order submitted.
Where did I get in? 52. Less than ideal. So we see that pullback there. A couple of ticks away, that will then see the move up towards that 59.75. That's bad risk reward, isn't it?
Order
Let the
submitted.
FOMO get the best of me.
Order submitted.
It's gonna come get me. Golly.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Let the FOMO get the better of me. Oh my word, gave up all 16. Huh. Let the FOMO get the better of me. I couldn't even hold above the 200 there. Just tested a VWAP.
Order filled.
Just going to try and take the VWAP and the two close above the 200 here.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
You see, the problem I've got is this point of control that could act as resistance. See, we've just tested it. And ideally, I shouldn't be trading around into the point of control. Fuck. For that, oh my word. For that flipping reason, man.
Order filled.
For For that fucking reason. For that fucking reason right there.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna take this as if it's held this area. So
Order submitted.
buying through the point of control is probably not the smartest thing to do. You can see the 5 minutes rejected that point of control. So what's that, 28.50? Let's do 39.50. Let's do 39.50. Why is it not coming in, man? Fuck. So if we can get the 39.50, I'll be trying to get back in at the 28.50. Why is all that sellers? Problem is I got the point of control sitting at 37.25. Come on. Just need to blast here. It's just hanging around too much. Come on. Testing the point of control. Go on. Go on. Come on.
Order
There we
filled.
go. Like, how does it only feel 10? Fuck me, man. It's only filled 10 contracts. What in the world?
Order filled. Order submitted.
Let's see if I can get 32.25 here.
Order submitted.
Point of control shifted down into this area. This means it's a horrible profile at the moment. Because, yeah, look at that. Goodness me, that's a horrible profile. It's got a bit of a beer belly. Anyway. Let's hope I can get out the 32.25s here. Take some of this risk off the table.
Order filled. Order filled.
A little bit problematic this is. Because of this candle now. Because this is where the point of control was previously. So, battling in the range. So if we can get this 39.50, let's think about this. And take 20 off. Should be down 11. Come on. There we go. Come on. Fucking come on. Oh my word. Hit the 39.50 where it filled. Come on.
Order filled.
Okay. Make sure I'm not in the other side. No. Okay. So, let's think about this. Down 10. Point of control is now shifted back up there. Should probably mark this level out. Here's a green zone. $24. That means I could probably buy the 28s, to be honest. Could buy the 28s. As I was planning to do before.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Maybe draw it down a little bit. To the 26s. You know what? That's not part of the plan. Let's cancel that.
Order cancelled.
Make sure we don't have anything on the system. No. Let's make sure here. What do I need here? I need one more bullish close. Seems like we're going to get it. Okay. Looks like we're going to probably head to that 50. Will this be the time we go retest that previous day's high?
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if it's going to pull back and get me in. Doesn't look like that's going to be the case. Get to 59.75. Yeah. Gotta cancel these orders.
Order canceled.
What is all that? Oh wow, we're going up into that this low volume area on the chart. On the 5-minute profile.
Order filled.
It's a bit dramatic, isn't it?
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Mm. It doesn't seem like it's using it as a resistance at all. Mm.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Retesting that low volume area, but for some reason it's acting more as a support at the minute. No. I would have thought sellers would have come in already.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so you can cancel this one.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
No, that low volume area is not working. So the march to the 820s seems to be the order of the day. Down 34.
Order filled.
It just seems that we're poised to break out here.
Order submitted.
Break out towards the highs.
Order submitted.
It's not a part of the plan. 47.25.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So this is just looking for prices to head towards the highs. Regular trade now is highs. It's actually a higher day. $76, 75. 76, 75. Let's see if we can cheat here. Golly. Golly. As soon as you get the trade idea, it doesn't work. Goodness me. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Rather aggressive levels setting up right here. It's very aggressive though. This is a problem. This is a problem. This is a problem.
Order filled.
Just added to that position there.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It's been hanging around in here for too long, man. Fuck. Can we just get to 85? I guess not. Really need this candle to take out these highs at 75.50s. Oh my gosh.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
Just invalidated that level. Man. I thought for sure that this thing would have gone up to the 90s. $62, maybe. Oh, hold on. Just closed above that 62.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
43.75.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see if that low volume area on the it's right there on this profile. Let's see. So we're looking at 23. So what if we target 13? That would take us up to 80.
Order failed. Order submitted.
Just added there. Gonna take some off at these highs. If we can get there. Retested that low volume area. Saw the buying coming off the wick and that bullish candle.
Order submitted.
Putting in a stop down there.
Order failed. Order failed.
And take it off. Clearly I've got a wrong read on the market at the moment. Seems like there may be a lower high. So range is still only 152.
Order filled.
So went long there off the moving average chart. $97.75.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
21.50.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Hold on a second here. No.
Order filled.
It's going long into the previous day's high. Right there.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Making a mess of this.
Order filled.
Oh my fucking word, man. What the
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order submitted. Order failed.
I'm calling it a day there. I'm chasing this market around in chop, so we can call it a day. We've come into the previous day's high, and market's chopping around, and all I'm doing is just losing. So we're seeing here a big sell there. Now I'm gonna call it down 274. Let's have a look at the trade performance. So over on the trade performance, we can see it was up 18, was up 16, drew down 37, managed to get back to being down 10 for a while, then eventually went on this run to the downside, down 274. Over on the summary page, negative on both long and shorts, lost the most on long trades, negative profit factor by quite a big margin, accuracy is up there at 63%, but the stats I was concerned about came back to bite me today. Average win to average loss 0.13, bad. That's pretty bad there. And average, so largest win compared to largest loss, nearly over 5 times the size. That's not great. Time of the market 4 minutes. Overall, not great. You can see we've had a pretty big blow up day here. A pretty big blow up day. So you can see here the chop on the 5 minute. We've had pretty low volatility in terms of range, only 152 points. And clearly I couldn't adapt to it. So let's go